I love this bag way more than I thought I actually would do. And if this bag is not on your radar, you might need to add it to your wish list soon. Hey everyone, my name is Steph. If you are new to this channel and love designer bags and luxury in general, you are in the right place because we get it. Make sure you join us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell down below. Today's video is a double unboxing, and I cannot wait to see what you think to these purchases. One is an item of clothing. Now, I actually purchased this item of clothing to go with the bag, but also it's quite minimalist, it's designer, it's quite stylish, and I just had to see this in person and try it on. The second item is, of course, a designer bag. Now, I already have this particular bag, but in a different size, and I have ordered the updated version. Let's dive in to today's double unboxing video then. The first item I'm going to unbox is a piece of clothing. As soon as I saw this on the Farfetch website, I knew it was going to work really, really well in my wardrobe. It looks like a really beautiful, simple, staple piece with a designer kind of twist to it, which you'll see in a second. And I also have it in mind for the bag that I will unbox afterwards. I feel like they're just going to work perfectly together. I would also like to say a huge thank you to Farfetch, my favorite luxury website, for sponsoring this video today. If you haven't been on the Farfetch website yet, I will pop a link down below. You need to head over there. There are so many great points to this website. They basically have boutiques from all around the world, some of them small, some of them don't even have their own websites, and they can list products on the Farfetch site. This means you are going to be able to get unique pieces. I particularly like going on the Farfetch site to look for things that maybe aren't as mainstream, but are really my style. And they also have some really great edits. So if you're looking for a particular style, like a party outfit or like more of a minimalist look, they have like edits pulled together. And it's a really great place to find pieces that you won't see everyone else wearing. And yes, I can confirm Farfetch have given me another 10% off code, which I will flash on the screen down below and put in the description box. Terms and conditions do apply. Both of these items that I'm about to show you, you can use the 10% discount code on. So if you're liking the look of these things, links down below, add them to your basket, add everything to your basket, and then check out with the 10% off, because it can be an absolutely huge saving when it comes to making luxury purchases. Opening up the first box here. This is always very exciting. So this piece is from Brown's Boutique in the Netherlands. It arrived, as always, in record speed. So as I said, this is a staple item. This is a really beautiful roll neck ribbed knitted dress. Perfect, I find, between autumn winter. Obviously you can wear it in autumn winter when it's getting a bit warmer as well, but you know, you still want to wrap up warm. This is in a beautiful ecru colour. So it's like a light, just off white, which I think can be styled with so many things. Like put this with a long black coat, a camel coloured coat. Yeah, if you're into your neutrals like I am, this is a great buy. The brand that this is from is called Holzeiler. You can see the tag in the back there. I will show you how it fits in a second because I'll be trying it on. I ordered a extra small and I think this was perfect. I say take your normal kind of size. So here you can see the beautiful roll neck. It has this piping down the edges of the sleeves. So again, this is like a staple piece with a designer touch. The arms are nice and kind of bat-winged, so you're comfortable as you wear it. You feel like you can move around a lot. This is not itchy at all, by the way. It's a super soft fabric. The piping runs down the side of the dress as well, and it kind of creates this like hourglass illusion just with that detail there. I love it. Let me know what you think to this beautiful jumper dress. I'm loving it. I can see this being an absolute staple in my wardrobe. Really easy to wear. Put some tights on, put some boots on. I like to wear my flat combat boots if I'm walking a lot, or my heeled boots if I'm not walking as much and want to be a bit more glamorous. This is just going to work for every occasion. And I also think it is going to look perfect with my new designer bag. Now for the grand finale, the bag unboxing of today's video. This is a Givenchy bag. You can see here, oh wow, look at this. The leather, oh my gosh. I went for a black smooth leather. This one has silver hardware. I'm not normally a silver hardware person, but I feel like because Givenchy's got such an edgy look to it, It really works. This is the soft Antigona bag in the small size. It has some little feet on the bottom there, like little leather tabs. Open it out. I'm just going to take the stuffing out here to show you inside of the bag. Got a Givenchy tag. You've got a leather compartment at the back of the bag, as well as the detachable and adjustable shoulder/cross body strap. So with these straps, you just quickly slide them on. You can adjust the strap there, so if you want a different length. And then this bag is designed to be squished. I don't have another bag like this. I'm really loving this feature. You can basically put the tabs, if you want to, down on the side of the bag, turn that lock, and it kind of squishes and crumples the bag up, but I'm absolutely loving the look. I'll just do the other side here to show you what this looks like. I love it. It's so luxurious. I'm really liking the novelty of being able to do this as well. So trying it on now, I have the side straps done up with my beautiful knitted dress. I got the dress to go with the bag. Like, I just want a super simple kind of look. Both of these two items are just going to be paired or be able to be paired with so many things in my wardrobe. You could add some colour to this look, or you could keep it super simple. The bag I've just shown you as a shoulder bag, but it also crossbodies as well. This is the way that I'm going to use this bag the most. It's the perfect length for crossbody. Again, you can adjust this. I am 5'6" for reference. I love the size of the bag. I love that it's lightweight. I love the look of the bag. Yeah, please do let me know what you think. I am loving this piece. I cannot believe I've waited this long to get the soft Antigona. I love this bag way more than I thought I would do. I'm so pleasantly surprised. I love it when this happens. This is just the perfect size. I love the black leather. It's so luxurious. It's a really practical bag. It's quite lightweight. This for me is going to be absolutely perfect when I'm off to London doing my vlogs or like shopping days, and I want to carry like a bottle of water, purse. I'll show you what fits inside in a second. But it's just so edgy. I'm just loving it. It's kind of like a bag, but it's defying all odds. And the leather is so luxurious. I really like that you can squish it. Now, when I did my 32 designer bags decluttering video, I'll pop a link to that up here for you. I said there's 10 bags that I want to keep, 10 that I want to sell. One of the ones that I wanted to sell, and still need to actually, I struggle with selling bags, I find buying them easier, is the Givenchy Antigona in the medium size. So I have the black smooth leather. This bag is a complete workhorse. It fits a laptop inside. I love it. It just looks incredible, like all of the time. However, it's very heavy, and for me now that I work for myself, I don't need to carry my laptop around as much, so I just don't use this size of bag. I said I wanted to get a small version of the bag. I was going to get the original style of the Antigona in a small size, but I have actually had one of those previously, and I just kept looking at this and thinking, do you know what? I actually think it looks really cool. I'm so glad that I went for it. You can change the like shape of the bag by undoing the sides. And then you can kind of do that with it, so it's more of a rectangular style bag. But personally, doing this like lock up here, which is super simple, it kind of pulls the bag down into this shape, and you can like squish it to how you want. Look at that leather. Look at that, like buttery soft. Oh, it's stunning. Smells amazing, by the way. And you can push the top down and kind of mold it to like a shape that you like. I have also spotted on the Farfetch site that the soft Antigona comes in different sizes. Small one is perfect for me, but also some really beautiful colours. Now, when I find something that I love, I tend to buy it more than once. I can tell this bag is probably going to be one of those bags for me. I can definitely see me adding another one to my collection. They had like this beautiful grey colour with silver hardware. Also a baby pink, which I think would be perfect for spring summer. Now let me show you what fits inside this amazing bag. It is worth saying again, this is the small size. So first up here, I have my iPhone. This is the normal size iPhone. It goes easily into the pocket at the back. An iPhone Plus size will also fit into that pocket, no problem. I have my Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse. You could get a full size purse in here, but I choose to have a smaller purse because that's all I need. I've got my noise cancelling headphones here and a small book inside, so you can get your bulkier items. I'm really liking that. A lipstick here. Again, this will fit into the pocket with my phone and purse. It's definitely getting quite full now, but you get an idea of how much this can take. This is an iPad Pro. This is the normal size. If you undo the sides, you can get an iPad Pro in and a bigger book, for example, and then you can do the sides up. Yeah, so it's great because you've got options. You can undo the sides if you want to take out bigger items with you. Please do let me know in the comments down below, what do you think to my latest purchases from Farfetch? As mentioned at the start of the video, they have kindly activated the 10% off discount code. I'll flash it on the screen down here for you again. Terms and conditions do apply. They will be in the description box. So many amazing brands, including Givenchy, in this deal. You can make some massive savings on some incredible luxury pieces. Thank you so much again to Farfetch for sponsoring today's video. If you aren't following me already, make sure you do over on Instagram. My handle is at handbag_holic. I am going to be wearing my soft Antigona for some more inspiration. I like to post reels, photographs, and feel free to DM me anytime if you have any questions. Make sure you don't go anywhere, because coming up next, I will link my latest video here for you. And over here, I'm decluttering my entire designer bag collection of 32 bags, picking 10 that I'm 100% going to keep and 10 that I'm going to sell. Enjoy.